Guys, David Diablo from MindlessPaint.com. I just finished the new Joker painting. This is my version of the Joker, the Jester. So I kind of wanted to do my customized airbrush take on it. I did it on a canvas. This is about 48 inches tall by 24 inches wide. I have to measure it again, but I think that's about the dimensions, kind of just eyeballing it. So I added blue and all the blues and stuff on the left side, and then I added all the purples and stuff on the right side, and added the Joker hair coming down, kind of like a Jester's kind of hat, but made that with his hair. And just drew something pretty a combination of a skull and a Joker and something pretty crazy. So I thought that would be cool, just a different take on the Joker. And if you like my channel, sub to it, please. Let me know what you think, drop a comment, all the good stuff. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys later.